Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I have the new AirPod 2s. They released today in stores. You could order them in America I think before, but here they only just released today. So yeah, let's get into this. Can't find scissors, so have to use a pen instead. It's so satisfying. Okay, so here's the box. I decided not to get the wireless charging case with it, and you may be thinking why not. I didn't feel like it because I don't use wireless charging anyway, and these are cheaper if you don't get it. I'll get it in the future, but for now I don't really need it. And another reason that I didn't get the wireless charging is that if you get it in the future, right, you can get it for the same price as a new pair of new AirPod case. So it's like a win-win, so you can have like a spare one if you want. So yeah, you just get the design by Apple California. AirPod manual, there's just AirPod stuff. For first, I don't think you get stickers with this one. I don't think you do, but it doesn't really matter. Really have a ton of Apple stickers anyway. Yeah. You need your device to be on the latest iOS update to use the new AirPod 2s, but just be that. Here they are. I'll take them out of the box actually. So yeah, here they are. It's got a little pull tab, so I'll just open that. It's a bit awkward. Oh, let me just slide it off there. So here are the new AirPods. They don't look any different to the old ones. And yeah. Same flicky case. It's a weird sound, but yeah. Same as any other Apple AirPods. And then here you've got the charger in the bottom. You don't actually get one of these anymore with it, but that doesn't really matter. If you already have one, it doesn't actually matter. And yeah, I'll give another initial review another time. So the difference between the old AirPods and the new ones is that the 2019 AirPods feature Apple's H1 chip, which replaces the W1 chip in the old model. The H1 chip also offers a faster and more stable wireless connection, according to Apple. It also means that the AirPods can switch between different devices faster and connect to new phone calls quicker. The new AirPods also feature Hey Siri. The AirPods also feature more calling time. Apparently there's 50% more than the original AirPods, and apparently also give 24 hours of battery life.